Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to prepare a vibrant, nutrient-dense dish designed to soothe the body and actively support systemic recovery. This recipe is exceptionally potent, combining three of nature's most formidable anti-inflammatory agents: turmeric, garlic, and oxidative stress. Beyond its healing properties, the meal is heart healthy, utilizing monounsaturated and
polyunsaturated fats to bolster cardiovascular function. We have optimized the process for efficiency by using a streamlined sheet pan method, ensuring a balanced result that provides a complete amino acid profile and high fiber content for steady, sustained energy throughout your day. To prepare this restorative meal for one, begin with a base of half a cup of pre-rinsed quinoa and 1 cup of vegetable broth or water. Your main protein is a single 6-ounce salmon fillet, paired with a vibrant cup of broccoli florets and sliced zucchini. The flavor profile relies on a tablespoon and a half of extra virgin olive oil whisked with a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 minced garlic clove, and a pinch of black pepper to activate the anti-inflammatory benefits. Finish with the juice of half a lemon for a bright, acidic lift. Simply double these portions for 2. Begin by accurately measuring the quinoa and broth, as the correct ratio is the secret to achieving a light, fluffy texture. Next, take a moment to pat the salmon fillet completely dry with a paper towel. Removing surface moisture is essential for a perfect roast. Carefully chop the broccoli and zucchini into uniform, bite-sized pieces to ensure they cook at the same rate, preserving their vibrant nutrients. Keep the stove off for now, as this stage is dedicated solely to thoughtful preparation, setting a calm foundation for your anti-inflammatory meal without the pressure of heat. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper to ensure a seamless, non-stick roasting process. In a small ramekin, whisk together the extra virgin olive oil, turmeric, minced garlic, fresh lemon juice, and black pepper. This creates the vital infusion needed to activate the turmeric's benefits. Carefully arrange your prepared salmon and vegetables on the sheet in a single, even layer to promote uniform cooking. Throughout this organization, keep the stovetop heat off to maintain a calm, focused environment as you gather your quinoa pot and utensils for the final stages. To begin building your grain foundation, place a small pot on the stove and set the heat to medium-high. Add your rinsed quinoa and the vegetable broth, stirring once to combine. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil before immediately dropping the heat to low. Secure the lid and allow the quinoa to simmer for 15 minutes until the liquid is fully absorbed and the delicate tails of the grain appear. Finally, turn off the heat and let the pot rest covered for 5 minutes to ensure a light, fluffy texture that supports easy digestion. Transitioning to the infusion stage, use a pastry brush or spoon to generously coat the salmon fillet and vegetables with your vibrant turmeric lemon mixture. Pay close attention to the distribution of the black pepper, as its presence is essential to unlock the full anti-inflammatory potential of the turmeric. Once thoroughly glazed, place the tray on the center rack of your preheated oven. Roast for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of the fillet, until the salmon becomes perfectly opaque and the vegetables reach a tender, crisp texture, ensuring every bite is both nourishing and restorative. Carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven and use a fork to gently check the salmon. It should flake easily, signifying a perfect, tender cook. If you prefer, apply a final light dusting of sea salt to enhance the natural flavors. Should the roasted vegetables appear slightly dry, simply drizzle them with a warm, golden pan juices or an extra bright squeeze of fresh lemon to restore moisture and vibrance. Once the salmon reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensure the oven is turned off, completing this nourishing, anti-inflammatory preparation with ease and precision. Carefully transfer the fluffy quinoa into a wide serving bowl, creating a soft, textured bed for the remaining ingredients. Arrange the roasted broccoli and zucchini thoughtfully on one side, then nestle the golden, turmeric-stained salmon on top. To enhance both flavor and benefit, drizzle any lingering lemon garlic oil from the pan over the fish, ensuring a calm and vibrant presentation. This moderate portion is intentionally crafted to be deeply satisfying and nutrient-dense, providing your body with essential anti-inflammatory support in a meal that feels light, restorative, and perfectly balanced for your digestive well-being. Beyond just a meal, this dish serves as a functional tool for systemic recovery. By combining turmeric and garlic, you are actively modulating your body's inflammatory response with every bite. The inclusion of healthy fats and black pepper is intentional, ensuring high bioavailability so these nutrients are fully absorbed rather than lost. Meanwhile, the quinoa provides a complete amino acid profile to promote essential muscle repair. Finished with fiber-rich roasted vegetables, the recipe supports a flourishing microbiome, grounding your wellness in a healthy gut. It's a balanced, thoughtful approach to nourishing your body from the inside out.